Hi guys, so this is what a boo boo dress looks like. You can see the cow effects around this side of the gown, and the sleeve is adjustable with this stripe, so you can see what it looks like. And it's actually a very good style for ready to wear because it could fit like different sizes, and this cowl effect and the fact that the hand is adjustable with like a stripe, it just makes it so. Hi guys, so I'm going to make use of this fabric. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and fold the fabric into four. After folding it into four, this is what I have. So for my neckline, I'm going to make use of a round neckline. I'll make use of 3 inches by 5 inches. Once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and mark 1 inch for my shoulder slope. So I've gone ahead to mark 1 inch for my shoulder slope. I will connect my neckline to my shoulder slope. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do now is to go ahead and mark our round sleeve. Note that our round sleeve is 12 inches. We'll go ahead and add 1 inch to it to give us 13 inches. And we are not dividing our round sleeve into two. Why? Because we are going to put in a belt into our round sleeve, or you can go ahead and fixing an elastic to your round sleeve. Okay, it depends on what you want. So I'll go ahead and mark my 13 inches. Note that I am starting from where we have our shoulder slope. Once we are done with that, this mark 1.5 inches. Go ahead and mark 1.5 inches because of your round sleeve allowance. Okay, now once you've done that, come to your hip line and mark your hip measurement. Our hip is 38 plus 2 divided by 4 plus 1, we have 11 inches. Because it's not a fitted gown, we'll go ahead and add 3 inches to it to make it 14 inches. Connect your hip measurement to where you have your round sleeve this way, and this is what you are going to have. So you can see the cow neck effect. How will you know where to mark your hip measurement? Now your shoulder to your waist is 17 inches and your waist to your hip is 9 inches. So at that point now, go ahead and mark your hip measurement, which is 14 inches. Once you are done with that, you will go ahead and connect your hip measurement up to your gown length. So once you are through with that, go ahead and cut it out. This is what you have. So you can see your neckline, your shoulder slope, and this is what your dress looks like. So you are going to have 2 pieces of this, one for the front block and one for the back block. So the 1 inch we left around the sleeve area is for allowance when we are going to turn up the sleeve. So once you are done with that, go ahead and hem your neckline. So you can hem your neckline using a bias or facing. So once you are done with that, you go ahead and join the shoulders together. After joining it, this is what you will have. The neckline, this is what we have. We've also gone ahead to join the shoulders together. Now once you join the shoulders together, you're going to have join the shoulders together. You can see we've gone ahead to join the shoulders. You are going to have like a very long sleeve because of course we didn't divide our sleeve length by 2. So the next thing I'm going to do now is you can go ahead and fix in like an elastic if that's what you want. But the next thing I want to do now is I have this tiny piece, just a piece of fabric, and I'll go ahead and stitch it this way. Place it in between and stitch it all the way round. After stitching it, this is what you are going to have. You can see you just gathered it up and you have your belt this way. So you just go ahead and knot this. So you can use like an elastic if you don't want to use this. So once you are done with that, you can see the effect of what it looks like. So you go ahead and stitch this sides. stitch this all the way down, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And you can see the round sleeve, you can see what it says, so you can just pull it to any size that you like. So I'll go ahead and stitch this part all the way down, and our bubu dress is ready. Hi guys, so this is what our bubu dress looks like. You can see the cowl effect around this side of the gown, and the sleeve is adjustable with this stripe, so you can see what it looks like. And it's actually a very good style for ready to wear because it could fit like different sizes, and this cowl effect and the fact that the hand is adjustable with like a stripe, it just makes it so beautiful. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video out.